I swear by the day of resurrection. And I swear by the reproaching soul to the certainty of resurrection. Does man think that we will not assemble his bones? Yes. We are able even to proportion his fingertips. But man desires to continue in sin. He asks, when is the day of resurrection? So when vision is dazzled and the moon darkens and the sun and the moon are joined, man will say on that day, where is the place of escape?
أفلا يتدبرون القرآن ولو كان من عند غير الله لوجدوا فيه اختلافا كثيرا.
Do they not then consider the Quran carefully? Had it been from other than Allah, they would surely have found therein many a contradiction.